Hey, happy Friday, everybody. So if you've been following along on my projects, we're back out here on this massive ultra-modern custom home going into Temecula wine country. You know, it's been raining and raining and raining. I think today is the 6th of January, but the sun came out. It's an awesome day, and we are not wasting any time. We're gonna take advantage of this weather. You know, I've had my guys working on the inside. I have a lot of jobs going on. It's about a 200-mile round trip for me to go check on all of them, but I've had my guys working on the inside doing drywall, if you saw my last video. But right now, I've got my Stucco man here. This is Pasquale, he's here, and they're moving right along. You know, it rained all day and all night, but now the weather's beautiful, so we're gonna take advantage of it. But they're here right now. You can see they're doing the scratch coat up there on all the eaves. They're not doing any of this steel. This steel's all gonna get sandblasted and painted, but we're doing the scratch coat, and the guys are mixing it in the hopper right here. All right, they shovel 16 shovels of cement to one 94-pound bag of, 16 shovels of sand to one 94-pound bag of cement. That's about the ratio. And then we have some white bags over there. Okay, that's for crack reduction. That's just a base. We'll put that on the second coat. That's for crack reduction. But yeah, we're moving right along. They have this whole backside down and walk around here and show you. Probably gonna get a little loud, but no big deal. See, they just put it in this hopper right here and they spray water in it. You know, they have all the top section done. You can see they masked off all the windows and doors. They do an outstanding job. These guys are really good, really professional. I'll just show you real quick the type of cement that we use. It's just powdered cement, just a 94-pound bag. Go over here and check it out. This is by Omega. Omega supplies all the materials. And then this right here, okay, this is a C1 base material, crack reduction base, also by Omega. So, yeah, a lot going on out here today. Getting this done, taking advantage of the sunny weather. You know, today's Friday. It's supposed to rain again on Monday and Tuesday. But let's go over here and I'll show you what they're doing. Okay, let's check it out. He's spraying it on. You can see all the wire, right? The wire grabs that base coat, and then these guys smooth it out. Like I said, this is just a base scratch coat. Okay, so I'm back on another day because my battery died. Anyway, these guys are moving right along on this project, getting this scratch coat on. You can see behind me, they have the whole back side of the house done. Okay, they've gone around by the garage. They have the whole back side done. My decking guys still need to come out and put some flashing up there on the deck before they can finish that. But as I mentioned before in a previous video, 16 shovels of sand to one 94-pound bag of cement. So that's what's happening out here today. Okay, Mikey's here. If you're familiar with the septic tank situation, if you follow my channel, you saw what happened with the septic tanks. So it's been raining. It rained for like 5 or 6 days. And right now, it looks like it's supposed to rain. Today's Monday. Looks like it's supposed to rain again tomorrow. But it was sunny over the weekend, and we did get a partial sign off on our septic system so we can go ahead and backfill it. So Mikey's here right now on the excavator, and we didn't want to put wet dirt in the pit with the septic tanks, so we had some dry dirt delivered. And we're gonna get this partial done. We're gonna get this tank backfilled so we don't have to worry about this pit anymore if it rains. And you know, like I said, we don't normally get this much rain. I'm sure we need it, but you know, if you can avoid ever having septic pits or utility trenches open in the winter, that works great. But you know, we don't always have that option. So let's take a look at what Mikey's doing out here right now. So you can see we got a muddy giant mess out here. This is all mud, and we have both tanks in. You know, we have our supply tank and our main tank. You can see our waste line is connected. It comes from the house over here, right over here. But yeah, we have our supply tank, That's a 2,500 gallon. Going into our main tank, and then we have our trench that's gonna go out the other side and go down the hill to the third tank. But you know, we have electrical and everything that has to go into here, so we have to run an electrical conduit into this tank, we have to run an electrical conduit into that tank, then we have to run an electrical conduit all the way down the driveway to that third tank. And all of those, then we have to dig this out, but this is holding back a bunch of water, you can see right here. So what happened was, we have 26 roof drains up on the roof, and all that water came out of the drains. What we did was we put pipes on them, and we extended those roof drains out into the driveway, because it was filling this up and flooding the whole entire pit. So, you know, a lot going on out here. So we're gonna use some dry dirt and get this thing backfilled. But like I said, every day is not a perfect day. You know, you just gotta deal with the situation and then move on. You don't let it bother you. You know, if you're gonna get into contracting, you're gonna run into situations like this. You know, unfortunately, well, fortunately we're getting rain because we need it. Unfortunately, I have pits that are opened. So, you know, I know this isn't about me, and the state needs some rain, so I'm not gonna complain about it. Anyway, that's it. Tanks are connected. You know, we got a full bubble of fall. What I mean by that, if you look at a level, a full bubble, we have a full bubble of fall into this tank. We have a full bubble of fall from that tank to that tank. And then we're gonna dig that trench over there. Let me get by Mikey here. I'll show you where the other tank is if you haven't followed any of my videos. So I guess we're supposed to get some more rain tomorrow. I really hope not. So the third tank is down there at the bottom of the driveway, and we have the trench dug for that already. Fortunately, this didn't all cave in with all the rain that we had. We have the trench dug already. Mikey's gonna continue this trench right here over to the tank, and then we'll run those waste lines down all the way down there. A lot going on. You can see the guys now doing the scratch coat. They've moved around to the front of the house. Okay, they have the front almost all the way done, but right up there at the top we have a utility room. We ordered a door. I ordered a door that came in from Phoenix, Arizona. We're gonna put that utility room door on. So I want to get that on so they can go ahead and seal it all up before they scratch coat. Anyway, that's it for today. That's what's happening out here. A lot going on. We're just trying to take advantage of this weather. You know, I can see it's clouding up, so it is supposed to rain again tomorrow. Like I said, today's Monday. I think it's the 9th. Anyway, before you guys go any further, if you wouldn't mind, give me a thumbs up on the video. It just helps YouTube to recommend the video to other people. And I hope you're all having a great day. And hopefully you can learn something by watching our projects. That'll help you with your project. Thanks for watching.